Let's try there.
What's up, guys? It's Maro here. Today we're going to the beach. I'm in Michele's
Hello.
hood,
How are you?
and we have a new friend here.
Hello,
What's your name, bro?
Fernando.
From Argentina.
From Argentina, yes.
All right, mi amigo Fernando, the Argentina. So we're gonna go to the beach today, and Michele gonna be showing us where we are going. Michele. So this is the Mediterranean Sea.
Yes, yes.
So how do we go, Michele?
Let's try to enter there. If we don't like it,
We can go in
no, wait, we can cross illegally here.
illegally. No, there is like a gate.
There is a hole in the gate.
I think it's not illegal.
I mean,
It's semi-illegal.
yes.
Okay.
You are not gonna get arrested because you publish this video before you leave Italy.
Oh, why? But actually it looks like a gate.
It looks like somebody made a gate out of this.
You know? Looks like a gate. And there's actually a road.
Yeah.
It seems like the government wanted to make a gate here, but it kind of changed its mind. Because who cleared the bush?
I don't know. But yes. This is the perfect spot if you bring your lady.
Yeah, because
You
not
hide
very...
in the bushes.
Yes, because not very many.
The problem is we are three guys. So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna find some ladies in the beach. Let's go that way in this beach.
This is a good shortcut. Yes.
Yeah, it's a good shortcut. Michele, be the first guy.
No problem.
Yes. Guys, we're going to the beach here. We randomly decided to come to the beach. So let's see what this Italian beach has to offer to us. There is...
Lizard.
Oh, lizard, that's normal.
Get into the other side.
Yeah. Italy.
You wanna be the first?
I'm following you, Michele.
Okay.
Guys, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's go to an Italian beach and see what to see. There's another fence here.
I mean, we passed the first one, so I don't see
So we are
the-
good.
Yeah. We are happy.
Wow, many people, Michele. Huh?
So how do we close this fence? I
We-
think there is an opening also in this fence.
Yeah, for sure. Or we can even, yeah, even there's one here.
Yeah.
Straight. Gets to heaven. Michele, do you know any nude beach around?
Oh yes.
Where?
I don't remember if it's straight there like 500 meters or in that direction.
500 meters.
Yeah.
Then we have to walk.
You want to go there?
No, we can go see also.
The problem on nude beach is that it's mostly guys
Oh.
or very old ladies. So
Oh.
it depends what you like.
Why? Okay. The problem is me having a camera in a beach. You know, sometimes it's like not so good, but this is an Italian beach,
There
guys.
might be a few people topless. Let me show you.
Wow, it's actually packed, Michele.
No, now it's late. Everybody has left. This is the leftover.
Oh.
Did we get to? Oh.
It's kind of nude beach. I have to turn this off. Welcome to Mediterranean Sea one more time. I know you saw me in Greece. Now we are in that's Michele Ponte. Oh, it's getting cool.
It's not.
Yeah, it's hot. Wow. How you feeling, man?
You see the difference between here and Mombasa is that you can walk for 100 meters.
Here,
Yeah, and you will still touch.
the ground, yeah.
Yeah.
But for me, I'm always very careful when I go to new places because you don't know the water's there.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, but here we cannot shoot you. This is.
But are you a good swimmer?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So we say, you say that.
Wow.
This is not the beach people expect.
Oh.
Because,
What happened, Michael?
no, because usually when
Yeah.
people see the beaches in Italy, they're blue and so on.
Yeah.
But here the sun is very dark, so
Okay.
makes the water darker. And the crystal beach, it's in Sardinia, in Sicily, in the south of Italy, and
Yeah.
so on. In the north central, it's darker sand.
Is it because of Greece and the eruption? There's something like that.
No, there is Greece. You mean the country or?
Like Santorini, when I was there, they told me the beaches are black because there was an eruption.
Ah, yeah, that is in Sicily.
Okay.
That is in Sicily. Here, because the sand in this beach takes lots of metal.
Oh.
Keeps lots of metal.
Oh, the beach?
Yeah, this type of beach, when it's dark, when it's not white.
Oh.
If you want the white one, there are other parts of Italy. But next to Rome, it's darker.
Let me show you the sand here, okay? Yeah.
You see, it's very dark.
Yeah.
And the area where he lives
Yeah.
nearby
Yeah.
is much darker.
It's totally black.
Oh.
There is an area where he lives, and this darker part is all metal.
Oh.
This is metal and rocks.
Oh, wow. So refreshing, man.
Yeah. Usually we come here, we play like beach volley in the
Oh.
water and stuff like this. We jump.
Michael, this
But this
I
one
want
is,
to do tomorrow.
yeah. But look, this is a normal place. There is a bit too much nude people,
Yeah.
and there is a bit not straight people.
Oh, yeah, I realized that.
yeah.
So here is like, where
Here
is normal? Where
yeah, in front of this thing is normal. There is nude, there is gay.
Yeah.
And I think if we still work,
Yeah.
there will be
Families and stuff.
naked gay.
No. In that direction, it's all family and stuff.
Okay.
I was trying to show you something like between in the natural
Yeah.
dunes and so on, but I wasn't so successful.
So these guys are playing the star where you float on water like that. See? And also the other guy is floating.
We can do it. You know,
I think I cannot pass over there, man.
why? Look, it's not I'll tell
You
you
know-
my feet.
This water comes like this.
Yeah, the water comes like this. But look, usually in the beaches near Rome,
Yeah.
here we can touch, then there is a few meters where we cannot touch,
Uh-huh.
and then we can touch again, we'll be super high,
Oh.
usually. Because it's the current of the water that makes this sand stay,
Yeah. Up.
yeah.
Oh, man.
Can you imagine skipping school and coming to the beach?
That's you?
Also,
Oh.
yeah, fun life.
How about our stuff are okay, man?
Our stuff is
Yeah.
nobody.
Yeah.
Less people on the beach and stuff is safer.
Yeah, swimming in Italy, man. Clean the lens. So you clean it. So your friend actually calls you Michael, not Michael.
Michele?
He calls you Michael, man.
No, he called me Michael just because they were speaking in English.
Okay.
No. I call Michael only Jordan.
You're
Michael Jordan.
There is just one Michael.
Yeah,
His name is Jordan.
there is just one Michael for sure.
Italian beach. So guys, actually, I just came from swimming here. So the funny thing is, this beach is divided into like 3 categories. There is family category, there is nude category, and there is gay category. So that's how it is here. So anyway, I think this has been just an adventure here to come and see an Italian beach. Mostly old people. Maybe Michele brought me to a wrong beach. Maybe next time I need to go to more young beach, you know. Yes. Now we're gonna get some drink and maybe head home. So that's Ponte. Ponte, what's going on, bro?
So our Argentinian friend did offer us an aperitif.
Oh,
We got chips and the olives for free.
okay.
There is an Aperol for each one of us.
Okay.
And now, you're not gonna get drunk with this one, but
Okay. What's the name?
Aperol Spritz.
Hey, let's do some cheers.
Cheers.
I hope your car does not bring keep it so it doesn't. I mean, cheers, guys. Yes.
Cheers.
How do you say cheers in Italian?
Salute, salute.
Salute. Salute. One more
Here we have
time.
also some straws if you wanna use
Okay.
it.
Salute.
Yeah.
You know, my mom watches me, and the last time he
without
called.
alcohol, mom.
Yeah, without alcohol, man. For sure. Long live Italia. Ponte. What's the name of this beach, Ponte?
Torva Ianica.
Torva Vaniga. There are no young people, Ponte. I was expecting to see like beautiful girls everywhere, you know.
Because young people work, only old people can relax in the middle of the week.
Oh, that's actually we're in the middle of the week, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see the
The
reason.
weekend and it's full, but
Oh, so in the weekend it's gonna look so different.
completely different. Like no spaces where to sit, all these tables full, the restaurant open. Weekend is another story.
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. You see, now a guy like me, I would have judged to say, oh, it looks boring. But now after you explaining, like during the week, young people are watching. Now I understand.
It's time to chill under the sun.
Yes. The moon is already coming out. Can you see that? Somewhere there. I am trying here Italian olive as Michele himself.
Yes.
So, oh no, Michele,
I wasted my stuff. But anyway,
No,
we got free chips and
no, we can.
No,
come on.
No,
Michele.
that's too much.
This is mine. This is
No,
How
that's
did I
okay.
do that?
No,
You
it's-
got it even on camera.
Yeah.
That's pure humiliation. Even
No.
on YouTube they will catch that.
Still, you can
I have
still use
so
this
big
one.
Fans, Michael.
Michele,
okay,
you can
it's
still
okay.
use this one. It's still okay.
No, don't take it because there might be sand on the table. That's enough.
So
But yeah.
that is spritz with sand.
So we made the video more interesting by dropping this drink. Or does it mean that we should drink more? I don't know.
Well, Michele tells me the reason you don't see young people here is because today is the weekday and they are working. But there's some, I don't know. Yeah, there's only one I'm seeing here.
In a few years.
Can you guys see that private jet? Italia. Hey, private jet.
And it's nice because it doesn't make so much sound. Very quiet.
I don't know.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
How much do I need to party here in Jamaica? Hi.
We're at
yeah.
the Griffith Observatory in Los Angeles.
So I'm officially saying goodbye to Japan. As you see here, welcome to Japan.
¿Eres, Elisa?
Soy de España.
I'm heading to